Stop trying to time the market. Trying to time the market means you're at risk at missing the best performing days in the stock market. Let me walk you through a few examples on how consequential it could be to miss some of the best days in the market. The first graph I'm going to show you here puts into perspective how successful long-term investing can be. The blue in this graph shows positive years in the market, and the yellow in this graph shows negative return years in the market. Over a long period of time, you're going to have more positive returns than negative returns. However, now imagine you try to time the market and you invest right before 2008 or 2020, and then you get discouraged and sell out of your positions. You're going to end up losing money in the market. You got to be thinking long term here. You got to be an investor who looks 20 and 30 years out. I'm going to show you guys another interesting chart. 50% of the best performing market days happen in a bear market. So if you're trying to sit on the sidelines when the market is down, you're going to miss out on 50% of the best market days. This graph again goes to show that nobody knows when the best days of the market are going to happen. The best thing for you to do when you're investing is to invest in the long term and don't worry about current market conditions when you're investing. Now in the last graphic I'm going to show, I'm going to talk about how costly it can be to miss the best 10 days, 20 days, and 30 days of the market over a 30-year time window. This graph takes into account you just investing $10,000, but say you miss out on the best 10 days of the market because you're trying to time the market, your returns would be cut by more than 54%. And it gets even worse if you miss the best 20 days. Now you're talking about your returns getting diminished by 73%. And then even worse, 30 days, you're talking about an 83% diminishing returns because you were trying to time the market and just sat out and did not get in the market to invest long term. Personally investing for the long term, and I'm not worried about which days are going to perform well because I know time in the market is consistently going to beat timing the market.